AI-Powered Doorbell is more than simply any doorbell. Advanced facial recognition using social media helps it to identify strangers in addition to known faces. Offering real-time motion warnings, this smart gadget functions as a personal assistant linked with Google and Amazon Home Assistants. Premium features keep your house safe. Weapon detection, unwelcome person alerts, and package theft alerts. Without a subscription cost, the Irvine I serves as both a virtual assistant and a security system with a log of guests and clever features such remote door locking. When it comes to relaxing chairs, the Cooler Master Hybrid M is head and shoulders above the competition. Staying calm even during power outages is made easy with its Bluetooth, high-density foam, and built-in massage mode. You can get the perfect fit with this chair, thanks to its height adjustment and magnetic lumbar support. Whether you're on the go or just relaxing, its modern style will keep you supported and in style. Travelers will adore the little but mighty Phi Torch K2. Built to be adaptable, this torch has 5 different modes and a light output of over 1,000 lumens. Ideal for every occasion since there are 20 different light patterns available, including a strobe for those wild parties. It charges fast with USB-C and has built-in robustness, thus dropping it won't cause problems. The Phi Torch K2 is the ideal flashlight for your camping, trekking, or just evening on the town. It exists in 4 flavors: high, medium, low, and moonlight. Harman Kardon makes possible the 100-inch screen projection and amazing sound clarity of the Nomvdic X300, a portable speaker and projector. With the built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity of this device, enjoy your preferred music anywhere you go. Its elegant leather and aluminum build makes it a tech accent as well as a music and movie utility. Thanks to its custom design and easy-to-use controls, this projector-speaker combo is perfect for people who like high-quality audio-visual experiences wherever. Learn about Mini Proca, a little all-in-one PC with a 7-inch screen and strong specs. The 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and 2 TB SSD will enable short work of any demanding activity, whether your project is a corporate presentation or gaming play. Short work of demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Red Dead Redemption 2 is made by its 8-core Ryzen 9 CPU. Mini Proca, which weighs less than 2 pounds, is quite portable and perfect for business travelers or those who need strong performance on the go. Starting with $699, this is a mini powerhouse. Reliable and capable of hauling up to 10,000 pounds, the Citymons Hitch features an integrated lock. It promises toughness that can endure harsh temperatures and is straightforward to install. No tools are required. This hitch ensures noiseless operation, whether you're pulling a car or a trailer. Its durability and resistance to corrosion guarantee its dependability for years to come. The Citymons Hitch is an ideal towing solution for anyone who wants to hitch up and go without any trouble. Whether you skateboarder, inline skater, or just someone who enjoys wheel-based mobility around town, you want the REM folding propelling stick. Riding across the city is easy even on steep hills thanks to its 3,000-watt motor. Its 44.4-volt battery lets it have a maximum speed of 25 miles per hour and a 12.4-mile range on one charge. Though it lacks a braking system, its strong and flawless propulsion makes it ideal for city visits. Urban adventurers have a fast and exciting way of motion mixed with elegance on the REM. About 1.3 pounds weight and about the size of a tiny paperback book, the One GX1 is smaller than any gaming laptop in the world. The Intel Core i5 or i7 processor and up to 16 GB of RAM provided excellent performance despite its size. San Andreas and more graphically intensive titles like PUBG Battlegrounds are both playable on it. Your gaming needs will be adequately met by its 1 TB solid-state drive. Starting at $1,600, the One GX1 provides portable gaming on Windows 10 without compromising performance. Staying hydrated and making a statement, is best done with the EDM Finesse LED Hydra hydration pack, perfect for creating one-of-a-kind text or images. Its Bluetooth customizable 64 by 64 LED matrix display, built from sturdy, water-resistant nylon. The pack has a 2-liter hydration bladder. You can discover the ideal fit regardless of your intended use. Riding, hiking, or attending a festival. This pack, with its changeable LED design that will turn heads, makes both staying hydrated and looking fantastic simpler. Apart from a simple telescope, the Dwarf 3 Smart Telescope is a versatile instrument that allows you to investigate and record your surroundings in fresh and interesting approaches. It has sophisticated artificial intelligence and an auto-tracking mechanism that maintains moving objects in crisp focus. With flawless Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity for both iOS and Android cell phones, sharing your finds is simple. Driven by a top-notch Sony Starvis IMX415 sensor, the Dwarf 3 produces remarkably brilliant photos and movies. It comes with a 32GB TF card for storage, which you can stretch to 512GB to guarantee never running out of space. The strong construction and great performance of the MDT1 Fat Tire e-scooter revolutionize off-road adventures. The MDT1 provides an exciting ride over difficult terrain with its strong motor and long-lasting tires. Its remarkable 62-mile range guarantees you may explore far into the wilderness, and the 30-mile-per-hour top speed gives your trip some thrill. This scooter easily rides hills of up to 45 degrees and manages up to 350 pounds. For off-roading aficionados, the MDT1 is more than simply a scooter. It's a passport to freedom and adventure. With Toniar, the best hands-free walkie-talkie made for travelers, improve your communication skills. Perfect for group talks, Toniar is voice-activated, helmet-friendly, waterproof with an IPX6 grade, therefore perfect for cycling, skiing, trekking, or climbing. It lets you talk across up to 800 meters and employs Bluetooth 5.3 for flawless communication. With 7 channels and sophisticated noise reduction, your chats remain absolutely clear. Toniar tucks cleanly inside your helmet and lets you remain connected free from distractions by being small and simple. Toniar guarantees your voice is always heard, whether you're planning with a team or just speaking with friends during outdoor adventures. With the IQAir Atem Desk Portable Air Purifier, bid inactivity of air farewell and welcome fresh, clean breathing. Covering a 300-square-foot space, this elegant purifier removes 99.5% of allergens, pollutants, even viruses by using ozone-free hyper-HEPA filtration to catch particles as fine as 0.003 microns. Perfect for allergy sufferers, it runs silently to guarantee a serene surroundings. The Atem Desk is a clever and long-lasting way to improve indoor air quality. Its filter life is up to a year. Small and effective, it rejuvenates your area and gives every breath freshness. Meet Rux AI Desktop Robot, the most tech-savvy friend robot combining utility and entertainment. Driven by Linux and Android, Rux provides the best of both worlds: access to a large range of apps and the capacity to create and test your own software. Combined with ChatGPT, this personal assistant can handle calendar management, shopping list creation, and even alarm clock operation. It doubles as a camera and has wonderful dances and animations to make your day. With the Red Shark Bike, a pedal-powered trimaran allowing you to ride on water, dive into summer adventures. Made in Europe, this creative watercraft offers an amazing experience by combining pleasure and exercise. The Red Shark Biking lets you enjoy a leisurely cruise or compete in aquatic biking events. While the Sport model has a TT cockpit with aero extensions for performance aficionados, the entry-level Fun model, priced at roughly $4,000, is ideal for casual riders. Perfect for sunny days on the beach or for exploring calm lakes, it is comfortable and stable. Riding the waves will redefine outdoor leisure. Transform your reading and computing experience with Bigme, an all-in-one e-ink color computer and monitor. Featuring a 23.5-inch Kaleido 3 e-ink display with 3K resolution, Bigme mimics the feel of reading on paper while offering advanced digital capabilities. It's powered by an Intel i5 processor and includes features like voice control, wireless mirroring, and adjustable front lighting for warm or cool tones. It eliminates the need for blue light glasses and perfect for reducing eye strain. Equipped with USB-C and HDMI ports, it ensures seamless connectivity. With ultra-fast refresh technology, Bigme is ideal for professionals and book lovers alike. Revolutionize firearm security with Zore X Core, a robust locking system designed to prevent unauthorized access to semi-automatic pistols. Its innovative mechanism includes a dial-based combination lock and an insert that expands inside the chamber if tampered with, ensuring maximum safety. Originally crafted for 9mm cartridges, Zore X Core priced at $119. It's a must-have for responsible gun owners. Zore X Core provides peace of mind by locking bolts securely and deterring theft. Combining cutting-edge engineering and simplicity, this game-changing device ensures your firearm is only accessed by you. With the Zulay Kitchen Blender, quickly create great cocktails and appetizers. Perfect for on-the-go use, picnics, the office, or outdoor adventures, this blender is small and cordless. Easily crushing ice and mixing smoothies, fraps, sauces, and purees in under 40 seconds. At just $29, the Zulay Kitchen Blender offers taste right at your hands anywhere you are by combining convenience and economy. With the pocket-sized self-flying camera IQAir X1, which redefines memory capture, your photos will soar. This lightweight drone guarantees accurate tracking and high-quality images and movies with simplicity by means of sophisticated computer vision technologies. Its small form makes it perfect for travel and outdoor activities. Its burst mode and real-time preview functions enable flawless photography. Share your memories right away with the companion app, then let the IQAir X1 improve your artistic endeavors. This clever device brings professional quality images within reach, whether you're recording a family outing or producing cinematic material. Which technology in this video do you like the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.